Hello traders, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Etiforex, the major of indices, major of boom and crash. So if you check the last video I dropped on this channel, okay, just about this same strategy, but in that video I was showing you guys how to scalp with this strategy. Remember, I told you guys that you can equally use this strategy to catch spikes and also scalp, right? Scalp, boom and crash. All right, so the last video was about how to scalp, and this other one is about to catch spikes, how to catch spikes, right? So if you're new on our channel, please smash that like button, subscribe to this channel before I unleash this, before I show you guys the settings and everything about this strategy and how to catch spikes with this strategy. Okay, so and also check the description of this video to join our free Telegram channel, okay, the Academy, and subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with other friends, okay, for them to benefit from this, because this strategy is crazy. It's crazy. So we have this running, we're in good profits, as you can see. We also have VIX 100 running in profits. We also have VIX 100 running profits, right? There's our VIX 100 running profits. So yeah, VIX 100, this was our entry here. This was our entry here. The market pushed up, market pushed up to this point, back to this level again. This kind of a retest or a pullback, you may say, you may call. Then market is pushing up again to our target this time around. Okay, you can see this 15 minutes closing bullish already, and 30 minutes will be closing bullish. Let's see the 1 hour. 1 hour is closing bearish, but then I see the potential. I see that markets will be going up to this point. All right, so if you check the VIP room, we've given this signal too. So we don't scam here, right? We don't scam here. If you pay your money, you get the value, right? You get the value, and we don't just give signals, we give good signals, right? If you check, so this is the last person that just made payments now. All right, just made payments, and I shared a link with him to join. Just join the platform. Okay, so that is how it's done. We don't scam people here. So this is my VIP, right? This is my VIP. So we give signal every day. We give signal every day, right? So if you want to join our platform for signals, for mentorship, you can go ahead and do that. We give the actual value. We don't scam people here, right? So yeah, the settings for this video, I'll first show you guys how to this strategy catch spikes before. Sorry about that, I was backtesting with this strategy. How to catch spikes with this strategy before showing you the properties of this strategy. So now the first thing will be you have to take notes. Now on the indicator, we have two indicators windows here. We have the first one here, and we have the second one here. Okay, so the first one, okay, let's start with the second. The second one has just Ichimoku, all right, as just Ichimoku, all right, as only Ichimoku. So now what you need to do is wait for Ichimoku to get to the oversold level for boom. For boom, you need to wait for Ichimoku to get to the oversold level. You can see like what just happened now. We just had a spike right there. So this is the oversold level. Okay, the level 20, level 10 is the oversold level. So whenever you see price at this oversold level, all right, then you see the way this indicator changed color from blue to red. That shows that it's going to the sell side, all right? So once it gets to this oversold level, all right, you see price at this level 20, level 10, you're taking notes. You now confirm your indicator window 1, and we have the MAs on the indicator window 1. All right, when you check the indicator window 1, you see price at the same level 10, right? Market should get to level 10, right, while this one gets to level 10 or level 20. So this one should get to, sorry, yeah, this one should get to this level 10. All right, once you see price at this level 10 and Ichimoku also has gotten to level 10, you should buy. You're buying. Okay, you're buying at that point. Once you buy, it spikes. And one thing about when you're catching spikes, you need to know how much you're willing to risk. In case it doesn't spike, you jump into the market and it did not spike, you know that, okay, I'm about to, you want to sacrifice just $5 to the market. All right, so if it gets to $5 and it did not spike, you know, okay, jumping out. So you always know how much you're willing to, depending on the equity you're trading on. So you need to know, I need to understand that. And also you need to set your your stop loss, because sometimes it's hard for you to decide. But if you set your stop loss and let it be, your stop loss will do its stuff, right? Once you get to that level, it will hit the stop loss and close with little loss. But if you want to watch to see what's going to happen, if it's going to spike or not, trust me, you're likely going to, lose so much money. You might lose so much money. Okay, so always wait for set your stop loss once you open the position. So now this is how it is. For example, you want to buy with 2 lot size. If you want to buy with 2 lot size, and this is where you want to buy, this is where you want to buy from. All right, you can decide to open 1 lot size, or you open 0.5 around that zone. So as it's going down, you open another 0.5 to make it 1 lot size. As it's going down, you open another 0.5 to make it 1.5 lot size. And when it gets to a certain level, you open again 0.5 to make it 2 lot size. All right, so that way, even if it spikes and the spike wasn't long enough, you didn't have a long spike, it will take it will get to at least the first or the second entry, right? The first or second entry, and that way it will give you little profit. So, but if you're planning to buy with 2 lot size and you open the entire 2 lot size here while the market is still going down, it's gonna be messy. It's gonna be crazy, right? It's gonna be really, really crazy, right? So if you're planning to open with 2 lot size, just do like I said. Okay, so now that's for B1000. Let's check what's happening here. Look at that. Let's see what's happening here. Can see we're still spiking. Market is still going up with the help of this indicator in this strategy. So we are killing with the base, guys. So we are running good profits right now. So let's quickly check crash 1000. Okay, crash 1000 just spiked around that zone and it's dropping. Just spiked around that zone and it's dropping. Just spiked around that zone and it's dropping. All right, so that's it for crash. You need to wait for market to get to that point. So, like for example, you see we have markets here. We have market at this overbought level, right? Overbought level here, which is the level 80. So we waited for markets to touch that line. Then on the indicator window 1, we have the MA around this level as well, and there was a spike. So let me quickly show you guys the settings for this strategy. So we have, you can take a screenshot. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 indicators, right? Let's start with the main window. You bring the first indicator, which is the MA, and the period is 18, shift is 0, method is linear weighted, applied to typical price. Okay, then the color can choose blue. I'm using blue. You can use blue. Click on done. Then you go back again, you bring the second MA, and that is the period 7, shift is 0, method is linear weighted, applied to typical price. All right, then you can choose red color. That's it for the main window. Then you go back again on the indicator window 1, you add the first indicator, which is the RSI, relative strength index. You're starting with the relative strength index. Okay, the period is 6, applied to close. Levels here are, we have 20, we have 10, we have 90, we have 80, right? You click on done. Then here where you have style should be, if you're using white MT5 background, it should be white as well. But if you're using black, then it should be black. Why? Because we don't want it to be seen on the chart. Do you understand? We click on done. That's this MA RSI here. That's the RSI there. Then you go back again and add the first MA on the indicator window 1, which is this. The period is 18, shift is 0, method is linear weighted, apply to open, use blue color, right? Then you go back again to add the second MA on the indicator window 1. We have the period 7, shift is 0, method is exponential. Take note, apply to close, right? And the style here is red. Okay, you click on done. You are done with indicator window 1. We are going to indicator window 2 now. On the indicator window 2, the first thing you need to add will be relative strength index, RSI, right? It has the same settings with the first one. The period is 6, typical price, apply to typical price. The levels here we have 80, 90, 10, and 20, right? Then the color shouldn't be seen on the chart because we are not making use of this style, right? So you put the exact color. If you're using white background, you choose white. If you're using black, you choose black, right? You click on done. Then after that, you go back again and add your Ichimoku, which is the last indicator. You add your Ichimoku. Tenkan Sen is 6, Kijun Sen is 6, Senkun Span B is 52. You click and fill this place. Then these other ones here, like the Tenkan Sen, should be white if you're using white background because we don't want it to be seen. Then Okumu should be colored. Okumu should be either blue or any color, and I have blue, and the down Kumu is red. Okay, we click on done. Right, so that's the strategy, guys. That's the settings, the parameters, right, all the properties for the strategy. So now remember, you must wait for market to get here, this indicator to get to the overbought level for crash, and the same thing on the indicator window 1. You see, sorry guys, indicator window 1, you see markets price at overbought level as well, and you sell. So now the zoom level is, we have the first zoom level here and we have the second. So you always use the second, and the screen positioning should just shift the screen like maybe to the left, depending to the left, and to give you exactly what you want, right? And we use only 1 minute time frame to trade this when catching spike with this strategy, right? Use 1 minute time frame to catch spikes with this strategy. All right, that will be all, guys. Please subscribe to this channel, show some love by reacting and sharing this video, all right, with friends. Don't forget to join the free Telegram channel for more information, free signals and all right. And our academy we are on session right now. People are learning how to trade the financial market, and it's pretty juicy. It's very cheap. It's something you can afford. It's just $60, and it comes with my lifetime VIP signal, right? So guys, don't miss this opportunity. Check the description to chat me up. Let's make money together. Let's grow together. That'll be all. Thank you.